So if you have a wife that plays hockey and you want to come hang out with the boys in the stands, let us know.
Good morning. I, like a noob, forgot my camera. So I have my phone here. I'm actually babysitting this week, so I am not staying at my house. But I came home to grab a few things. I don't have too much planned for me, except today is my second to last hockey game. So I thought it'd be fun to bring you along. And I don't know if we're gonna run a few errands right now. I don't exactly know, but we will see. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Anyways, I'll bring you along today. My home away from home. Every day. Also, I don't think that you can see this, but this tree is pretty much all turning orange and falling. And that one over there, it is so sad. I just feel like fall is coming way too early right now. We only just started August.
Hi there, how can I help you?
Yes, can I get a small coffee black?
A small black?
Nothing to update. I've just been doing some work on my computer and taking care of some things. I'm gonna make dinner. I gotta pick one child up from camp, and then we'll make dinner and go to my hockey game, which I will bring you along on. Hopefully it goes well. I'm feeling pretty tired. I basically was sleeping like every 2 hours. I was awakened every 2 hours last night, so I didn't get a ton of sleep. Hopefully I feel like I have a lot of energy. How's it going? Hopefully I have a lot of energy enough to play, and that we have a full team. Anyways, Amy and I will be playing tonight. Aaron's coming. That's all I have to say for now. Hi, Portia. Come on, let's go inside. I'm at my hockey game. I'm about to get in the dressing room, but I'm gonna give Andrew the camera so that there is some footage. People are watching of the game. Whew, it's freezing in here.
This is the first inaugural meeting of HOB, Hockey Husbands of Ontario. Oh, crap. Your founders are Aaron Cooper and, turn the camera around, Andrew Chen. We're looking for new members, so if you have a wife that plays hockey and you want to come hang out with the boys in the stands, let us know.
Filming it for the channel.
Hi.
Alright, do something good.
Is that her? Laura-Lee?
Hockey Husbands of Ontario.
Good, Laura-Lee, good!
Good marking.
Nice.
That's what you call it in hockey, right?
Long White Sox. Long White Sox. Oh yeah. Go Laura-Lee, go!
Go Laura-Lee!
I don't know what footage Andrew got of the game. It looked crazy. But tonight's game was pretty intense. We won 5-1, and they were sour losers. They were just like, they were a terrible team to play against. They were just no fun, as in they had no sportsmanship, and it's supposed to be fun. And because they were losing, they decided they weren't gonna have fun. And anyways, so it's pretty much the end of the night, and I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna go to take a shower and go to bed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again for another video.